Okay, so now in our EC2 dashboard, you will see there are no instances running. Okay, actually we have 6 instances currently, and what I want to do is, okay, so I just wanted to show you AMI. Okay, if you go to AMI, okay, I don't have any AMI now. Okay, so if you want to create your own AMI, okay, you can go to your, you can choose your instance, okay, and you got actions here, and you got here, you can go here and say create an image. Okay, you all can see this, right? I selected the image, my EC2 instance, then I went to the actions, images and templates, then I said create an image. Okay, now I can give the image name here. Let's say IMG01. Okay, I can give some description here. Okay, then if you want to add new volume, you can add. Otherwise, this is the 8 GB volume that I had. Okay, so I can add tags if I want. Okay, then I can just say create image. Simple. Now, if I go to images, okay, so this image now has everything, okay, that my EC2 instance had. Okay, fine. Mohan and Savin, that's okay. So this is this image, okay, now is available for you to create new EC2 instances with, and you can even use in your launch templates and in your launch configuration. Okay, so this is what, this is my own AMI, okay, Amazon Machine image. Okay, so what it contains, it contains everything that was in this EC2 instance, in this EC2 instance, because I created from it. Now whatever this EC2 instance has, all are there in that particular AMI. So when do we use AMI? Okay, Savin and Mohan, just listen to this very properly. What happens is, you create an EC2 instance and you perform all your actions related to software installations, and then your packages installations, and creating your web pages, everything. Okay, once you complete that, okay, then you are going to create one AMI, okay, your custom AMI from that particular, say, EC2 instance. And those, any new instance you want, you can directly now go and create from that AMI. So it will have everything ready. Okay, so because in my this EC2 instance, I have already installed my Python, okay, Node.js, okay, and I believe I've installed HTTPD, okay, all those I've already installed here, and even I have installed MySQL, okay, that is not MySQL, that is MariaDB, okay. So later on we'll learn about how to create our EC2 instance and connect to RDS, okay, MySQL RDS, also that in after a few sessions. But today what I just wanted to show you is, if you create an AMI from this any instance, okay, EC2 instance, that AMI can now be used for creating further EC2 instances. Let's say launch. Okay, so EC203. Okay, what happened? Savin, we lost Savin.
Yeah, we lost.
Maybe he has some problem. Okay, now image. Okay, here you can use your custom image. Okay, wait, what is my image name? Okay, here you need to browse. you need to my AMIs, okay, and you need to select it. Okay, so now your AMI will contain everything that was in my that EC2 instance. Okay, now this EC2 instance will contain everything that I had in that EC2 instance. Okay, so I can just now launch EC2 instance. Okay, okay, so this is AMI. Okay, so you can create AMIs from your EC2 instances, your custom AMIs. Though that is called my AMIs. Okay, this one AMIs. Okay, these are your own AMIs. Fine. Now, if I go to, I showed you launch templates. Okay, let's create launch configuration. Okay, so when you say create launch configuration, okay, let's say LC01. Okay, choose AMI. See, this is your AMIs. Okay, the one I created. Okay, this is the one you created, correct? So you can just choose that. Okay, and if you want to assign any IAM role, we'll be learning about this. Okay, all this, then everything is similar to earlier what we had. Okay, just say existing key pair, just give the key pair. Okay, I acknowledge what are these rules. Source of all IP addresses to access the instance. We recommend setting security group rules. Access from IP addresses only. Okay. Okay, so this is one rule that we are having now. So just create. What did it say? One or more fields are missing. From which field was missing? Instance type. Choose an instance type. Yeah, Savin, we lost you, right? Okay. So instance type, that was T2 micro. T2 dot micro. Okay. Choose. Sabin, I'm just creating a launch configuration. Okay. I created the AMI. Okay. And with that AMI, I created my launch configuration from our own AMI. Okay. So you can just go and see the information here. Okay, so you can see the information about the launch configuration. It will have same information as my EC2 instance has. Okay, so now I can create an auto scaling group with that launch configuration. Okay, G2. So switch to launch configuration. Okay, just say and choose your launch configuration LC01. Okay, just say next. The rest you can follow as you want. Okay, I'll put it into two subnets. Okay, so what is subnet and what is zones? We'll be learning in more detail in after one more session after load balancers. Okay, next. No load balancer. Okay, just say next in this one. So this one just result is 3, 1, and maximum is 5. How to make it 5? All those we'll be learning later on. We'll have to do some testing for that. Next, and then next, next, then launch. Create auto scaling group. Okay, so it is being created. So if we click here, you can see what is happening. If you go to activity, you can see what is happening here. Okay, See in the history, you can see this service is being created. That means this EC2 instance is being created. Okay, similar to launch template, but in launch configuration, once you create the launch configuration, okay, if I go to launch configuration here, okay, you cannot modify. There is no way you can modify. Okay, you can just create auto-scaling group, delete or copy. Okay, but if you go to launch templates, this is the main difference. You need to know this difference. Okay, if you go to action, okay, you can modify. Okay, this is the main difference. Okay, between launch configuration and launch templates. Launch configuration is going to be decommissioned. Decommission, it is going to be deprecated soon. It will not be in use. Okay, so we need to use launch templates. Okay, so launch templates, you can change your information in the launch template, and whenever new instances are to be launched due to some reason, it will be launched using the new configuration from the launch template. Okay, in your ASG, in your auto scaling group. Okay, so now my auto scaling group, let me see whether the instances have been launched. I think they are already launched. Yeah, successful. So I can see my EC2 instances here. See, running. Okay, so these are the 3 EC2 instances created by the launch template. Not launch template, ASG. Okay, using the launch configuration. So the main difference between launch configuration and launch templates are 2. First one is launch template is changeable, modifiable, while launch configuration is not modifiable. Okay, and launch templates can have different instances, different types of instances. Okay, can be used for spot, can be used for reserve as well as our on demand. Whereas in launch configuration, you cannot have different types of instances. Okay, that means you will always have one type of instances. On demand means on demand. Okay, so this is how it works with launch template and difference between launch template and launch configurations. Okay,